So 6 lessons, and with these 6 lessons for the fingerstyle guitar, American fingerstyle guitar, we're gonna see how, for example, a G can be played on fingerstyle. What matters here is to start with the right note. So if I was starting with the standard structure on the C, it was just because on the second string, when I'm playing with the thumb and starting with that one, if I play the C in pressing with the ring finger the 3rd fret, that note is exactly a C, so it suits that technique. If I have to play, for example, the G, what happens is that the G note is on top, on the 1st string. So it's much better starting with the top note, with the 1st string and not the 2nd one. So in order to do that, I have slightly to change the sequence of the extremes, central ones and middle strings. So what I do now, instead of starting with the 2nd and the 5th, I start with extremes. So I start with the 1st and the 6th. So thumb, ring, finger. Then I go on the central ones. Then I go back to the 1st one, like it was supposed to be. Then instead of going with the other extremes, I go with the 5th string, with the middle finger. And then I go back to the center ones. So 3rd and 4th. So doing it very slowly is 1st and 6th, center ones 3rd and 4th, 1st again, 5th with the middle finger, and center ones 3rd and 4th. The effect is this. Instead of so if I am moving from C to G, I can do the very first structure for the C and the second structure for the G. Instead of having always the same structure like this. It's much more melodic, this other one. And that's the very start of Don't Think Twice, It's Alright by Bob Dylan, which will be shown in the next lesson. Don't forget, please, to subscribe if you want to support me.